Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Polo BlueGT finished in Reflex silver metallic paint, featuring the 1.4 petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This low mileage vehicle benefits from a full Volkswagen service history to give you peace of mind motoring alongside the approved used benefits which I'll mention at the end of the video. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those daytime running lights and your front fog lights there as well for difficult driver conditions. Down the side of the car goes lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with the optionally fitted power folding heated wing mirrors which are also gloss black. To the rear is a generous amount of boot space available with your split folding seats and adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving inside, your signature Polo BlueGT upholstery with ISOFIX points on the outer seats. And moving to the front of the vehicle, you benefit from a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and the optionally fitted light and sight pack giving you automatic dimming rear view mirror and your automatic headlights and wipers. You've got your digital radio on board to keep you entertained on the move at all times, including multiple media outlets including your Bluetooth for your phone calls and music streaming. You also got the optionally fitted front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings. You also benefit from the optionally fitted winter pack giving you heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And a little bit further down the cabin you got your optionally fitted dual zone climate control which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage just below there and USB ports you can charge your device while on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.